Hello, my name is Aaron and today I'm here with Jackie. Jackie, could you introduce yourself?
Hello, Aaron. Yeah, my name is Jackie Lee. I'm the CEO of Genie Robot, and I want to help you to introduce our product, GENIBOT.
This is GENIBOT. Is it a genie or a robot? What do you think?
Well, this one is the combination of two words. Yes, you mentioned genie and robot, but can you guess what is come from the genie?
Genie comes from Aladdin's lamp.
Correct.
So whatever you tell Genie to do, it will do. Your wish is its command.
Yes, right.
GENIBOT is also an essential educational coding robot.
So, you know how much important to learn coding?
Nowadays it is very important.
Because this one is a like educational trend in the worldwide, and then our kids need to learn about coding and AI education.
Right, coding is really the architecture and building of the future.
Yes, right. So also our kids can increase problem-solving skills and critical thinking and creativity and logistics. Yes. So this GENIBOT helped our students to raise those kind of important skills for young generations.
Right. Through STEM skills, coding, and AI.
That's right. So actually, I designed this robot to teach not only for coding, but also STEAM education and AI education as well. So this one is very strong for the STEAM, especially science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and art. So I'm going to show you later how to play on music and do mathematics and drawing pictures. Okay?
Sounds great. All right, can we look inside?
Okay, go ahead.